Hey!
Holy moly!
Hey! How's it going, everybody? Joe Robinson here at Spencer's factory here in Ventura. Today we want to talk about latex. There are two predominant types of latex. I'm going to let Spencer, the man himself, talk about them. Come on in here.
Sure. That was quite impressive, Joe.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
It's latex. You should be.
So what's the deal? There's two different types of latex.
There is.
What are they? And
So we have what's called Dunlop Latex, rubber from the rubber tree. Basically, they tap in the tree and collect it in cups, and then they process it from that point. They bake it. They actually take it and bake it.
Oh, wow.
And it rises, and then this is what you get. I mean, there's a whole formality to it, but that's the basics of it.
And what's the other kind?
The other is tallow, which is it's a big machine that extrudes and takes air in and out of latex, and they add more chemicals into it to get more of that real consistent finite feel. And we usually use latex towards the top of the bed and Dunlop in the center of the bed or at the base, because Dunlop's more durable, it's more dense, it's heavier.
Oh, wow,
So
okay.
when you pick this up, I don't know how that felt when you landed.
Felt great.
Yeah. So you can do that with springs as well, but the
Right.
latex is nice.
All
But
right.
so that's latex.
And what's the deal with these little holes right here?
Yeah,
Like,
it's funny when customers see the holes, they think that's what makes it feel cool, which it is a very cool substance because it breathes. But those are the actual pour spouts that come down into the mold, the injectors, and it comes out and around that. Then they take that mold out, and then you just have a solid layer with all these holes in it. So it's nothing to do with allowing airflow. Now, what's crazy about that, though, is if you go online, you'll notice all these companies that make latex beds, they'll claim that that's what's cooling your bed down, those holes. When in effect, it's really just that natural open cell structure in the latex.
of the latex itself.
Right.
So some people think latex beds are too bouncy or maybe too firm. What's your take on why they should consider a latex bed?
So latex done properly will give you a low motion feel. It depends on how you're laminating it and putting it together, what different densities, what firmnesses that you put together, and then what you actually put on top of that. The actual skin of the mattress or the top panel will slow down what we call motion. These are actually low motion, which means that if one person moves on one side, you won't feel the other person move as much.
Right, okay.
The most motion you're going to get on a bed is that old hourglass shaped coil. Those are non-existent, except in lower end beds.
So do you use both? Then you use both types of latex, or predominantly you do?
We do. We like this for support, and we like the tallow for the top layer, for that real finite customer. I mean, feel. That
Right.
real.
Yeah, totally.
I mean, there's customers all have personal preferences, and we can really dial it in with tallow.
Yeah, if you come down here to the factory here in Ventura, you can lay down on beds in the showroom, and you can get a custom bed according to your sleep needs.
Right.
What number can they call?
They can call 805-658-2866. Either I'm there most of the time or Jimmy. We've been running the store together for 15 years. I'm here across the street at our factory. We have two nice locations here. So any questions, please call. We'll help you.
All right. Hope to see you down here. Thank you.
Thanks, Joe. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.